Are you feeling totally overwhelmed by the skincare aisle? With all the endless bottles and those crazy 10-step routines. Yeah, you're not alone. So today, we're going to simplify everything. We're going to build the perfect, easy skincare habit that actually works for your skin. Let's dive in. We have all been there, right? You're staring in the mirror and you're just wondering, what is my skin trying to tell me today? It can honestly feel like this frustrating puzzle that you can never quite seem to solve. So, what's your story? Is it that tight, really uncomfortable feeling where your skin is just crying out for some moisture? Or is it the constant battle with that midday shine, especially in your T zone? Let's be real, most of us know one of these struggles all too well. I mean, with thousands of products out there, and every single one is promising a miracle, it's no wonder so many of us just want to give up. The search for that perfect combination can feel completely and utterly overwhelming. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? Well, here's the good news. There is a simple solution. We're about to map out a clear path to healthy-looking skin, and guess what? It doesn't involve a 12-step routine or a bathroom cabinet that's overflowing with bottles. Okay, this is the real game changer. It all comes down to just 4 fundamental products. That's it. They work together to give your skin exactly what it needs, whether that's a huge boost of hydration or some serious oil control. It just proves that simplicity really is key. And this list right here, this is all about peace of mind. These are not just marketing claims, they are commitments. You see non-comedogenic? That's just a fancy way of saying it won't clog your pores. And because it's tested for sensitive skin and irritancy, you know these products are designed to be gentle but also incredibly effective. And if you need a little more proof, here it is. The Good Housekeeping seal isn't something they just hand out. It means these products have been rigorously tested for performance and for safety by experts. That is a massive vote of confidence. All right, this is where you get to choose your own adventure. It all comes down to one simple question. Does your skin crave moisture, or does it need some help controlling that shine? So let's break this down. Over on the left, we've got the classic signs of dry skin. That tight, rough feeling. It needs a serious boost of hydration. Then on the right, the challenge is oiliness, that persistent shine that just needs to be balanced and controlled. Which one sounds a little more like you? So, if you identified with the dry side, this is your answer. This entire regimen is designed to give thirsty skin that deep quench it has been craving. It leaves it feeling comfortable, smooth, and looking incredibly healthy. And the results are, well, they're seriously impressive. Let's just take the very first step, the cleanser. In a consumer study, this is the number of women who felt a really powerful positive change. 89%. That's how many women said the hydrating cleanser left their skin feeling soft, not all tight and stripped of moisture. We're talking about a cleanser that actually cleans without taking away the good stuff. For anyone with dry skin, you know that is a total game changer. Okay, now let's pivot. If you're on team oily or combination skin, this one's for you. This regimen is engineered to control that excess oil and put an end to unwanted shine, giving you a fresh, matte finish that lasts. And the proof for the mattifying line? It's even stronger. Check out this number, the percentage of users who agreed the cleanser delivered on its core promise. It's pretty amazing. A staggering 92%. Think about that. That is how many women agreed the mattifying cleanser effectively removes excess oil. For anyone who is just tired of battling shine, this means you finally get a cleanser that works, leaving your skin feeling perfectly clean, balanced, and so refreshed. So whether you choose the hydrating or the mattifying line, the process itself is beautifully simple. Let's just walk through how easy it is to build this healthy skin habit into your life. Okay, here's how simple this routine is. Step 1, you cleanse morning and night. A few times a week, you'll toss in Step 2, the exfoliator, to polish your skin. Then you're right back to your daily steps, toner in Step 3 and moisturizer in Step 4, both morning and night. That is it. A powerful, predictable routine that fits into any lifestyle. We can talk about these awesome results all day long, but the only way to really know is to try it. So let's look at the absolute best way to get started and feel this difference for yourself with absolutely zero long-term commitment. I want you to meet the Go Set. It's this perfect travel-sized kit of the entire 4-piece regimen. This makes it amazing for trying out the whole system, taking it on a trip, or even just throwing it in your gym bag. It's the perfect way to test drive your new routine. Get your cleanser and your moisturizer chosen for your specific skin type, plus the universal scrub and toner. It is the complete 4-step routine all ready to go. So there you have it. We've laid out a simple, proven, and really affordable path to the skin you've always wanted. The only real question left is, are you ready to stop struggling and finally start your healthy skin habit?